Yeah, the tradition of the arranged marriage has survived as an integral part of its culture, and the manner in which matches are made, however, is going through some rather, shall I say, drastic changes here.
Well, while the latest form of matchmaking is a very slick business venture, it could also prove to be a conduit for social change. Channel News Asia's Zain Awan takes up the story from here.
In modern urban India, this is an increasingly rare sight. This system of matrimonial pairing, where nuptial knots are tied by priests, began some 2,500 years ago. Horoscope and family compatibilities were as important and crucial as the bride and groom themselves. In the 21st century India, models are replacing holy men as the matchmakers of choice. And as traditional clan bonds are starting to be loosened, spouses for sons and daughters are now being sought on a TV channel. That's right, the choice of a son or daughter-in-law is just a remote control click away with Shagun TV, India's first 24-hour matrimonial TV station.
As it was on television, anyone who is interested in your profile can exactly look at your picture and decide at the moment. So this was a good experience, and it was, in fact, it was very different.
Indian weddings are elaborate affairs and are often considered as a reflection of a family's social standing. People spend huge sums on wedding functions which can last for almost a week, and Shagun TV hopes to cash in on this, much like the $81 million online matrimony market. The shows feature potential brides and grooms along with their families and advise them on matters ranging from relationships to wedding planning and shopping. But the channel is also making a name for itself by breaking traditional privacy taboos, as couples on one of the shows openly share private details of their relationships.
We are discussing sex, but we are not focusing on sex. 50,000 marriages taking place in a one day in season. We love marriages, we love India. We save marriages, we save India. Because it's our culture. We cannot destroy it, and we should not.
A noble thought, but analysts say in a country with around 700 TV channels, the audience is also sharply fragmented. So can a 24-hour matrimonial channel really hope to achieve its share of the Indian wedding pie, which is estimated to be worth as much as $38 billion?
As far as Indian audiences' views are, they like to watch their Bollywood stars. They would like to watch their they like to watch Bollywood singers. But in terms of do they want to watch anyone's marriage? A small bunch of people might. But what might work is wedding tips. What might work is wedding shopping, where you can get branded integrations, and those shows can work.
The rise of the reality TV star in other major markets would challenge that notion about nobodies on TV. And if Shagun TV is successful, it could be more than just a business venture. It could be an agent of change, able to balance tradition and modernity in a fast-changing India where career women have much greater individual aspirations. Zain Awan, Channel News Asia, New Delhi.